Hi, Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us about the 2024 outlook for the people who are born in the year of the monkey in the area of health?
Now, the monkey people form a golden connection with the dragon. So that is one of the best signs for this year. So health-wise, there's no much issue, okay? And the more active, the more mobile the monkey is, the healthier it would be. So it's a fantastic year for the monkey.
And how about the area of career?
Now, if they are in a business dealing with motion, such as logistics, travel and transportation, or on the other side, things to do with education, research, sales and marketing, trading, they do marvelous, the monkey people.
And how about in the area of wealth?
The more mobile, the more outgoing, the more they move around, the more money they make. So try not to get stuck behind the desk that much.
And lastly, in the area of marriage.
Marriage is very stable, a little flat, not very kind of exciting or fiery, but it's good because there's no exciting outside relations. So for the monkey people, their marriage or their relations will be fairly safe.
Happy Chinese New Year!
恭喜發財!